seems like Samsung has its upcoming future plans set for its first ever gaming phone. We came to know via a patent filed a couple of weeks ago detailing what a gaming smartphone from Samsung could look like. It's time to take a look at what's their vision for a true hardcore gaming beast for gamers. It's not the first time they filed the patent. We saw this in early 2017 as well, but we're going to talk about the latest one. Now, a huge thanks to my friend Concept Creator for turning this awesome thing into a reality and showing us how it will look in real life. He makes some awesome content, so check out his channel and help him reach 100,000 subscribers. Now back to the topic, you can see the Samsung, who knows, it could be LCD plus 120Hz. I mean, if Samsung wants to do that, they can do it. You can see it can be folded like a book, it can even be used as a dock. There seems to be a lock mechanism for the hinge as well. Just imagine the gaming experience we're gonna have with these two awesome displays. There can be games which can utilize the dual display specifically, as you can see in this example. One of the hardest part of playing touch games on a touch screen is those controls. So the controls can go to one display and the game can go on the other, making the whole gaming experience much better. And of course, you can play game on one display and watch Netflix on other, or use Facebook, etc. Take that. Hey guys, so the topic of today's video is gaming and Samsung. What happens when Samsung decides to make a gaming phone? I tell you what happens. It's a smartphone gamer's wet dream. Samsung's vision for a gaming phone is truly phenomenal. We have a phone with not one, not two, but three displays. Two large displays connected up front by a hinge mechanism, and a third small display at the back of the phone. It's a triple display beast. We have big bezels up front, which makes sense. I mean, for a gaming phone, especially with three displays, you need big bezels to hold on to the phone comfortably. The old design language from Samsung can be seen here. The home button, which will also double as a fingerprint scanner, along with the touch capacitive keys such as the multitasking and the back key on the sides. Now, it is a curved display. It will most likely be Super AMOLED with the best of its time technology, with the most highest gaming multitasking to the next level. When the phone is completely closed, that's where the third small screen comes into play, which will be super helpful for notifications, time, date, always-on functionality, and quick reply. As for build quality, it will most probably be an all-metal phone. They're not going to make a big, huge gloss gaming phone, so metal is preferred for a gaming phone. There's a huge monster speaker at the bottom and one at the earpiece, so it will be stereo. There's a front camera but no back camera. Since it's a folding phone, we can only assume that the main camera could be implemented on the front. Obviously, if it comes out with a back camera, I don't think Samsung will equip it with the Galaxy S10's camera or whatever the flagship camera will be at that time. This phone has a specific target, which is gaming, which brings me to the next beast point, which is going to be its battery. You can see it's super thick, and this pattern shows that it has a dual battery implementation, which means it could have a dual 4000 mAh cell, and with that, this thing can go on for hours. We have the charging port, and we also got our headphone jack as well at the bottom, so that we can plug the headphones and at the same time charge our phone. Now, there are some UI examples as well that show us how apps can utilize the dual display for extreme real-time multitasking, like we do on laptops or Mac or Windows, opening and using application at the same time. So this can happen with this dual display. Because we just have so much screen area to play with, this is all possible. Now, this is not the first time we have seen a gaming smartphone patent from Samsung. Like I said, previous one was filed in April 2017, and that actually had a dual display. It was sort of an incomplete, but with this new patent, Samsung made this gaming smartphone bigger and added a third display for notifications. The whole patent file is in Korean, so if you want to check it out, I will leave the link down below in the description box. You can take a look. Guys, I would absolutely love to see this phone one day. With the increase of popularity of mobile gaming, we can expect this phone to be a reality in future. If Samsung releases this phone, it can really be the true ultimate gaming phone for smartphone gamers. But anyways, what do you think about this awesomeness? Will you be interested if Samsung made a triple display gaming beast? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.